So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view key statistics of stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance app, go to any stock that you're looking for in regards to the key statistics. So I'm just going to go to the top here and go to the search bar. And how about for this demonstration, I will search up ticker symbol Meta, just like this Meta platforms right here. I'll go ahead and press Meta right here. Now, if you want to view the key statistics for it, it's fairly straightforward. On the screen, just scroll down to the bottom here to where it says key statistics. So as you can tell, you can kind of see the price range that it was trading. You can see the highs for the 150 or the 52-week low or the 52-week high right there. You can look at the previous close, open, volume, PE ratio, whatever the case may be. Dividend. It's all pretty straightforward. Once that is done, simply just exit out of this, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. This is how to view key statistics of stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.